Welcome back to Nana Knows Best, where I give brutally honest reviews because someone has to. If this product fails me, it's going straight to the donation bin. Now let's begin. If clutter is slowing you down, you need to see this. I am Nana Knows Best. This rolling storage cart keeps workspaces simple. With 15 drawers for cords, papers, and supplies, everything finally has a place. With rolling wheels, move it around to have it available. It is easily locks in place so your desk stays clean and organized and accessible to all your supplies. Get organized today. Thanks for watching. If today's review helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new Dana Knows Best breakdown. And hey, if you want to check out the product yourself, there's a deep link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. See you in the next one.